My name is Craig Heshe. 20 years ago, my wife, Dr. Jean Ann McKenna Morangu, and I founded Answer Africa. This year marks 20 years since that beginning. And it's something we're choosing to celebrate, not for a moment, but throughout the entire year, by continuing the work that started it all. McKenna was born in Kenya, and Africa was not just a part of her story. It shaped how she saw the world, how she understood responsibility, and how she defined justice. While McKenna was still a medical student, she visited a small hospital in a very rural part of Kenya. There she met a 9-year-old boy named Kamau. Kamau had been badly burned in a fire, and as there was no access to proper medical care, his injuries had gone untreated for years. His muscles had contracted so severely, his chin was fused to his chest. He couldn't lift his head. Even going to school became a challenge, and he had been living that way for over 4 years. McKenna could not walk away from that. She organized a team of surgeons to return to Kenya, and Kamau received the surgery he so desperately needed. His body healed, but more importantly, his life opened back up. He went back to school. He rejoined his community. He had a future again. What stayed with McKenna wasn't just Kamau's transformation. It was also the hundreds of children that had to be turned away. That was the moment McKenna understood something fundamental. One rescue is compassion. Building responsible systems is justice. McKenna believed the most powerful solution wasn't dependency, it was capacity. She dedicated her life to training local doctors, strengthening medical infrastructure, and ensuring that communities could care for themselves long after aid arrived. That belief became the foundation of Answer Africa, which we founded in 2006. Our early work focused on fighting malaria, delivering over 400,000 mosquito nets to some of the most remote communities in Kenya. But very quickly, we learned something important. Health is never just about medicine, it's about opportunity. It's about education, access, connection, and trust. For 20 years, Answer Africa has worked alongside communities, not above them, by listening first, building together, and focusing on long-term sustainability. Today, that same approach continues through programs like Bridge, bringing together health, education, technology, and local leadership to strengthen communities from within. This work is steady, it's thoughtful, and it's built to last. McKenna passed away in 2015, and what we created together exists beyond our mundane reality. McKenna and I believed when work is rooted in purpose, it continues through the very people who carry it forward. What began as an idea in 2006 has become a 20-year commitment to humanity. As Answer Africa enters its next chapter, we are building toward a $1 million fundraising vision designed to fuel long-term socioeconomic sustainability across the communities we serve. We view 2026 not as a finish line, but as a foundation, a year to cultivate, to harvest momentum, and to grow lasting impact together. This is an official invitation for you to celebrate with us by donating, by sharing our story, and by helping expand the reach of this work. McKenna believed deeply in bridges between people, between communities, between what is and what's possible. If McKenna were here today, she wouldn't ask for your sympathy. McKenna would ask you to participate, to believe in people, to invest in solutions that endure, and to help carry this work forward together. So as we mark this milestone, we do so with gratitude and with immense intention. Thank you for being a part of the journey. Thank you for helping us continue the work, and thank you for building the bridge forward.